Alright, Scotty here. I just wanted to make a quick little video on my drone, as I've used it a couple times in my videos and I'm going to be starting to use it quite a bit more. It's just been a lot of fun and the shots you get are just amazing. So this is my drone setup. I have the DJI Mini 2 as advertised. I've got the high visibility orange decal kit for it that I got separately. It took me about 2.5 hours to put it on. I like it a lot because you can definitely see it a lot more versus the gray. And for my, it comes with the standard controller. I've got the Skyreet adapter for the tablet. This was a must-have. You can obviously use just your cell phone, but when you attach the tablet to it, you just can see it much better, get some really good shots, being able to see it better on the bigger screen, I think. And that is what it looks like. Pretty easy. Once it's all broken down, I can easily fit this in my pack. And I also have the drone little helipad, landing pad. This I found is super nice. If you've got uneven ground, put this on it. It helps a lot. And it's a good locator when you're out flying far away. When you turn your drone around, you can see the orange on this. And this folds up. Super compact, so that you can throw it in your pack or whatever. And that's the drone setup. Going to be getting some shots of the garden right now, being it's winter time. Let's check it out. Alrighty, got the drone on. Gonna do a little takeoff. See what we can find.